tandem e-bikes, so I had a look last night on the internet to see why. Basically there are several companies, Lime and I can't remember the name of the other companies, and you download their app and either look for one of their scooters on the app that's close to you, or have a few apps of different makes and just the first one you come to. I'm not sure exactly how to charge them because they're just everywhere. There's one coming up to one now, it's actually an e-bike, but it's the same thing. But assumably the app will tell you how charged that particular bike is, and I imagine there's people go around in vans charging the ones with no batteries, but I don't know. And then you just leave it, go wherever you're going and leave it. You have to be within a certain zone, so you can't just like take it to your hotel and let it bring it into the hotel or anything crazy, or leave it out of their range. But of course you're going to be mostly tourists, and generally you're going to go back there where you started. But it's a good idea. The only problem with them, and why I wouldn't have one, wouldn't try one, you have to go on the road. You don't need a license or anything, but you have to go on the road. You're not allowed on the bicycle lanes or the footpath. I'm not sure about the e-bikes, but and something else, Rome's beautiful. It's taken care of. It's everything's nice, everything's pretty, well manicured. And what I wasn't expecting was, since I've left the campsite about 20 minutes ago, it's been bicycle lanes the whole way. So now I wish I'd have taken the bike. So if you're in Rome, from what I've seen of it, and I'll keep looking because there'll be another parts, from what I've seen of the centre of Rome, it's bicycle lanes everywhere, which is fantastic. The only thing is, this is all a bit downhill. I mightn't have been able to make it coming back up. I'm about 20 minutes from the Colosseum, and I may or may not go to other places to see how I feel after the Colosseum. But this is wonderful. Beautiful weather, it's lovely and warm. It's this feeling of, you know, that summer feeling you get when you go on holidays. Really hit me the past couple of days more than any other time. And of course what helps is Rome's such a nice place. Fantastic. Guy on a scooter. So maybe it's a rule that you're not allowed to use the footpath, but you can use the bike lane or something. I'll have to find that out. Should I drink it? Should I not drink it? They wouldn't have it in the street if it wasn't like great, good water. I'm going to drink it. Tasted like good water. So you have to do a selfie with the Colosseum behind you when you're here. It's a shame not to. Are you doing a selfie? Something struck me right away. There's no vendors. Must be a reason.
Africa.
Hello man.
Where you from?
Ireland.
I love people Ireland because you don't know racist, you like black.
Good man.
You never been to Africa?
I never get talked in the van stuff that they don't want to buy. But he was dead nice. So that'll stay in my arm for about the rest of today. I still haven't come to the entrance. So yeah, there's pretty big queues. Big queues when you're on your own. They're no fun. After very complicated barcode and website you have to go through to get tickets. You have to book a time, and the next available time is 6:15. It's only 2:15, so I'm going to do the next best thing. There's an Irish bar 300 meters away. I'm going to have a beer. So say goodbye to the Colosseum. Maybe show you some photographs. Sounds like an Irish pub. An Italian pub does the job just as well. Centre of Rome, beautiful Italian bar, lovely day. People think I'm crazy, I'm getting strange looks talking to them on the phone. Cheers everybody. I've heard more people speaking English today than I have in 3 months. I just worked out. By the time I get back to the motorhome, I'll have walked 7 miles. I've never walked 7 miles in my life. Well, I probably have, but not in a very long time. 7 miles. What a beautiful place. If you're going to walk 7 miles, do it in Rome. My legs are pretty tired, but they're not that bad. I'm knackered. My van's right there. I can see it, but I have to walk. Oh jeez, it must be a half a mile to get to it. I'm going to try and cheat. I'm going to go back to my youth, have a look and see if there's a way in. Without walking away up to the gate. The gate's miles away, and then I'm right at the end of the campsite on the way back. So it's worth a look. That's me there. You can just see the roof. But yeah, it's well protected, which is a good thing, of course. May only be the start of the season, but whether it be a bar, a campsite, a motorhome site, wherever, they're all busy in a place like Rome. None of these have been able to get an electric hookup, but they're all still here. I can hear my dogs barking. I wonder have they just barked all day? I hope not. I think probably yes. I made it back. I'm really unfit. I mean, that is a long walk, and the end of it was all uphill. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Wee bit of a tour around one wee small part of Rome, and tomorrow heading north, camper shop to go to, and then go and find a nice campsite near a beach. So I'm going to leave it there, folks. If you enjoyed the video, thumbs up, subscribe would be great. But until next time, bye for now.